welcome to the sort by function. And this is a really nice, I keep saying that, but it really is. It's one of those times when the developers of Excel have really pushed themselves. I'd say excelled themselves, but that would be a bit weird. And they really have come up with some incredibly good functions. So let's see how this one works. So equals, and obviously the command we want is sort by. Then what I do is I can take this array here, and it says, okay, what do you want to sort by? So I'm going to push comma, and what do I want to sort by? Well, I'm going to sort by the department. I'm going to close the brackets and press enter, and there's our spill. And what it's done is it's sorted them by the department. Just as I requested, it's pulled the whole table and given me this spill again and given me that organized by the department. But the really nice thing with this is you're not limited to that. Hopefully you saw that when I did that, this just keeps going. There's the 3 dots there tell me there's more going on. So I'm going to select the array again, which is that there. And I'm going to say, okay, do it by department. That's really nice. But I'm going to push comma. I'm not going to close the brackets this time. And I can decide if I want that ascending, A to Z, or descending, Z to A. Let's do it ascending. So we go for 1. Press comma, and I can do more. I can do another. I can say, right, okay, now let's take this column. We're going to sort this column, comma, and then we've got our order, sort order. So how are we going to order this? Well, let's choose the other option. I believe that's -1. Then I'm going to close the brackets and press enter. And notice it's organized not just by department, but also by the spending. But the spending is in inverse order or descending order from the highest value downwards. Isn't that really impressive? And that's a sort by function. So useful. Next, we're going to look at sequence. See you in the next video.